In this video, I'm actually going to be sharing mindsets every beginner trader must have to level up their trading. One of the first mindsets you must actually have as a beginner trader is that you must give yourself time to grow. And we're saying that, what do I mean? You must know, even your mentors give themselves time to grow. They give themselves time to master their strategy, make sure they add and edit. They did a lot of back testing, they read books, they paid for courses. So it shouldn't be a workload on you as well. You must know this is your own journey now. You must give yourself time to actually make sure all these things are in place. You get it now? So you should not put yourself under pressure to meet up with anybody. You get it now? Make sure that you give yourself time to grow and make sure all the basic things that need to be imputed or that you need on your trading journey is actually there. Give yourself time, back test, read books, pay for courses if you must. If you don't have access to fund an account, do free trials, trade on the mobile. All these things are the things that actually add up and actually make you just grow faster and make sure that you don't just remain at one level, but rather you transfer from one level in your trading to another. And I hope you actually get that. The second one I actually have here is that don't compare yourself with anybody. Firstly, you must know you are in competition with nobody. And you comparing yourself with another person is actually the most unwise thing to actually do. Even the scripture says those that compare themselves with themselves are not wise. Don't compare yourself with anybody. You are a very different individual who is trying to get things straight. Commit to learning. That's one thing that is actually going to help you grow at your own pace. Get it now. Grow at your own pace. This strategy is still building on the first point I actually give, which was that give yourself time to grow. You get it now. So once you have given yourself time to grow, the next thing is that you won't even be looking at what other people are actually doing. The third one I have, which is also the last one I actually have here, is that you should learn not to put yourself under pressure. It should be inside you. Whenever you're feeling pressure, find something to do that will just ease that tension of you. You get it now. So don't put yourself under pressure. If your trading is going wrong, go back. Let's know what you are doing. And that's where I have been saying this. Journaling is very, 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 very important. With journaling you'll be able to know your emotional states as when you are trading before you even place the trade, and even after you are trading, you've traded rather. You get it now. So you'll be able to have a documentation of how the trade went, what was your emotional states like. You you'll be able to have all those data at hand, and if you are doing something wrong, you'll be able to know where things actually have gone wrong. Michael W. Kobe actually said something that actually stood out to me in his book, Remains of a Stock Operator. He said you should focus on the battle of self-distinct. And that means there's something you can do within you that will make you unique, that will make you unique, and you just stand out from the rest. Also, he said judge yourself not by the outcome but by the process. That means as a beginner trader that you are not focusing on result as of now, you're focusing on the process. What am I ought to learn? What have I not learned? What do I need to get rid of? What do I need to refine in my strategy? What do I need to add? What do I need to subtract? You get it now. You just make sure you modify everything and make sure everything works. You get it now. So that's one thing you should also keep in mind. You should have that. It should be part of your mindset. Relearning, unlearning some things, and that does not mean you should just be changing your strategy or changing anything irrationally. Make sure anything you actually want to fix probably has an effect, and once you are changing it, it's going to rectify that effect that it has on your trading. I'm talking about the negative part now, and if you're adding something, make sure it is making your trading stand out as well. You get it now. If you've actually seen this video up until this extent, please do well to leave a like, share your opinion in the comment section. If you resonate with this, share your comment in the comment section, and just share the video to any beginner trader you know around, and trust me, it's going to be a good one from there. So make sure you are consistent and don't just lag behind. See you in the next video.